Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you check RAM in your Poco phone guys. You want to check RAM in your Poco phone, so guys you can check. And guys, now let's see how to check RAM in our Poco phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you're in my channel, so guys, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friend, first of all guys, open your phone setting to check RAM. So as you can see guys, this type of settings. So guys, what will you have to do guys? You can see guys your about phone settings. So guys, tap here and guys click on this all settings place like. So as you can see guys, your RAM. So as you can check from here, and guys you want to check storage. So guys you can check storage from here, 128 GB storage. So like that guys, you can check storage, and guys you can check RAM in your Poco phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to check RAM and storage in our Poco phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.